Hi, it's Marci. TGIF, right? It's Friday. Let's get our heads cleared up. This is backwards when I looked at it before on Instagram. Oh, well, I'll try to show it to you forwards. It's my new class. It's called Best Head Massage You'll Ever Get or Give. And I like to say 12 Steps to Heaven. You know why? I have so many ideas to give you, and your hands are going to be in charge. Hello, how are you? So let's get started on clearing up our heads from all that heady stuff all weekend. So one of the first things you can do, I like to call fake facelift. What does that look like? Well, get your hands all warmed up and your fingertips ready, and put your fingertips on the edge of your scalp, right here, on the edge of your hairline. And you're going to put all the fingertips right at the edge of the hairline, and especially put your thumb here at the TMJ. So I'll show you with one hand, right? So one hand. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a mess. I told you it's going to make a new hairdo. TGIF, new hairdo. Thumb here for the TMJ, then fingertip, 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 all the way. And you're going to take this hand and use your elbow and press up. And as you press up, try not to slide. Try not to slide, because sliding means you're just going to lose your grip. But it's actually, I'm teaching you a little bit about the fascia of your body. The fascia is meant to stretch. So you'll see why I call it fake facelift in a minute. So I'll be covering my face, but I'll be doing the motion, and you'll see the results. It's pretty great. So if you are standing, you want to kind of push your head forward, because you're going to be pushing back with your fingertips. So push forward with your head and back with your fingertips, and get right to the hairline. Get right to the hairline. Now, make sure the kids aren't scared of clowns, because I'm going to look like one. Fake facelift. And then you go ahead and put your palms right against your head. Now, I'm going to press up against the wall so I can get a really good effect. Oh. And now that you've got a grip on the hairline and you're sliding into the hair, you can do pull ponytail. So grab all of your hair and put it in one big chunk. All of your hair in one big chunk. And I'm sorry, people who don't have long enough hair to do this, but if you can, and comb your fingers through it, this is going to feel so great, right? Now, I don't need to pull on it. All I need to do is twist it. Any person who's done a little bun knows about this. So twist and twist and twist. And as you twist, you'll feel, all of those little attachments along the hairline. Your entire skull cap is coming up and coming up and coming up. And so just twisting, making sure you're twisting, not just pulling. But then if you're like me, you really like a little bit of tug. So let it go and tug, let it go and tug, let it go and tug. And when you're using all the hairs like this, it actually feels great. It doesn't feel so great if you just pull a little bit of your hair, but it feels great if you do all of your hair. So I'm just showing a few things. My name is Marci Javril, and I'm offering this great class every other Tuesday in Mar Vista. And it's going to give you a new hairdo, thank God, right? Who wants the one you've got? Well, some of you might. But anyway, you can either do it for yourself or do it with a friend. And once you learn how to do it, and it won't take that long to learn some of my silly things like Miss Piggy. Miss Piggy is really great for clearing the sinuses. So you take a finger here and you push up into your cheeks and push them out. The trick about Miss Piggy, though, is that you do it 3 times and you snort. So here goes. I'll show it to you, and then we'll break it down. And maybe you'll try it. Maybe your sinuses will clear up just like that. So Miss Piggy, here we go. So it's one full inhale with 3 little snorts, and they're inhale snorts. So the breath goes like this, right? In, and the fingers go like this, out, out, out. Don't go too hard. Try not to make a red mark. It's quick, right? And it'll open up your sinuses. And some of you might recognize it from the 80s. Did I say that? Yeah, right? And then tug on your ears. Aww. So I'm not going to stay live for very long, but hi everybody. I'm so happy to see you. I actually can't see your exact notes, but I see there's a few people watching. Hello, hello. So please try some of these ideas. Go to my YouTube channel. I have a video called Best Head Massage Ever. And go ahead and take a look at that, because that's what we're going to do in the class. So again, if you don't bring a partner, that's okay. What you learn, you'll be able to do when you go home and you find a willing partner. Yeah, because everybody likes their head massage. So I'm going to end with doggy shampoo. Doggy shampoo will really mess up your hair. And I like to do it mostly on the back of the skull. So I'm going to turn around. Hope you don't mind. We're experimenting with head massage, right? So doggy shampoo, what does it look like? Use your fingers about like this, and you're going to scrub. And you will know, do I want it medium or strong? Oh, see, traffic, stress, going right by my house. Oh, right, it's Friday, TGIF, let's clear our heads. So doggy shampoo, this will make us feel loved. Using your fingertips, scrubbing your scalp like this. So I'm going to use both hands, and I'm going to use them kind of like one and then the other, one and then the other, like this. So this is the action, and here's what it looks like. Doggy shampoo! Or you could just, if only one hand is talented, you could just use one hand. And get all over the head. Oh! Doggy shampoo gives you a new hairdo. And then let's close with a little bit of palming. So you're going to warm up your hands. Your hands are your most magical healers. I'm not sure why everybody isn't using their hands. If you're not using your hands to help your healing, then you're leaving out a lot. So don't neglect the most important part of your health program, using your own head, heart, and hands to heal yourself. So important. Let's do some palming. Rub your hands, take a deep breath. Put your hands over your eyes, and this deep, dark, beautiful quietness for your head and your eyes and your orbitals and your optic nerve and your vagus nerve. Everybody's slowing down, relaxing. And you'll feel your breath want to change, a natural sigh. And let it go. And that's just a little preview. I sure hope to see you on Tuesdays in Mar Vista. And thanks for watching.